Okay, now we are going to start our chapter, geometry chapter, that is 4.1. Okay, 4.1. So what is this? This is the figure. Question number 1, figure. Use the figure, the name. Write the name, that is 5 points. So we can write here D, E, O, C, B, all are point. We can write 5 points are what? D, E, O, C, B. Okay. And write 1 comma in between 2 lines. And airlines. So airlines, line means that is no end point. This is a remark. This is line. That is, you can write airline, that is DB. And write arrow sign here. 4 rays. Rays, 4 rays means that is 1 end point. Here we can write O, O to C, O to B, O to D, E to D. We can write here OC, OB, OD, and ED. Or we can write here EB also, you can write EB, no problem. EB you can write. Now 5 line segment. Line segment is part. This is 2 endpoints here. DE, one, that is D is 1 endpoint, E is endpoint. And EO, E endpoint, O endpoint. So we can write here DE. We can write here DE. Then EO. Then DO. Then EO we have written here, no. So EB. So this is endpoint, like that, okay. Or you can write OB. If then you write this one. If OB is right, then it is a ray, and if we write here this such types, then it will be what? Ray. No, sorry, it will be line segment. So question number 4. How many lines can pass through one given point? This is a point. So how many lines you can draw using this point, suppose point O. This is uncountable. Okay, we can draw how many points? Uncountable. This is how many points? This is uncountable. How many lines? That is uncountable or infinity. Next, point P lies on AB. Draw a structure. Suppose this is a line. This is a AB. AB is a line. And point P, suppose this is a point P, lies on point P. Draw this one. Okay. Now line L contains E and F. Suppose another line. The name of this line is what? L. L contains E and F. Contains E. That means E and F lies on the, suppose, point E and F. Not D. So either D will be here, or you can write D will be here. Anyone. Or D here. Anyone. You can write it. Okay. So this is the drawing of these two questions. Here write true or false. M, P, O, and Q are points on the line MN. So all points are on line MN. This is line MN. So this line, okay. Unless this is MN, line MN means here. So P, Q, M, N, and P all are in the line. Okay. This one is, first one is, this is true. And O and N are endpoints of the line OP. Endpoints O and N not endpoint. So it is false. This one is true. This one false. And N is the initial point of NP and NM. N is the initial point of N kind of NP and NM. So NP, this one is NP and NM, 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 NM. So this one starting from N, this one also starting from, this part also starting from N. Starting from N and starting from N. So this is true. Okay. I hope you understood today's lesson. Now you will, all of you, complete your homework. I am sending your homework. Okay. You will solve your NCERT chapter 4.1 and also solve this chapter, this exercise. NCERT 4.1 and this exercise. Okay. You solve your homework. Thank you.